Finally, we reached ATHIRAPALLY after traveling around 56 kilometers. So the bike parking spot is little like an off-road. Somehow managed. Got the tickets, 60 rupees per adult, and now we are heading towards the ATHIRAPALLY waterfalls top portion. Washrooms, small stores with ice creams, biscuits and all are available here. Water bottle, everything you can get from nearby the waterfall. Though it's rainy season, it's crowded. There are a lot of people here. So this is the top portion of ATHIRAPALLY waterfalls, and this is the ideal place to sit back and relax. So rain started again. It wasn't raining, but now it started raining again. We managed with our coat and it's month of July, Kerala, so it's almost like monsoons. And this view is the top view of the ATHIRAPALLY waterfalls. I think this picturesque beauty you can witness only in the monsoon season when there's rain and all. So this is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. You won't get such a picturesque view in the summer season. So better come during rainy season to view the beauty of this waterfall. So now let's step down towards the waterfall. Now we just saw the top portion. We are heading towards the waterfall. So we almost reached in front of the waterfall. So there's a distance from me to the waterfall, but the water is splashing from there. And got fully wet. Though I have a coat, I think it's all useless when we go in front of the waterfall. The water is pouring. It's like spraying. It's beautiful. And it's really beautiful, really beautiful.